Hi, my name is Hallie, and I'm a senior teacher of Wisdom and Wellness Qigong. This is the third video, the advanced video for the healing organ sounds. So you'll have a much better experience and gain much more healing if you watch and practice from the first two videos before doing this one. So as always, we will begin by bringing our attention inwardly. So taking a nice deep breath and exhaling, releasing any blockages or tensions from your body, from your physical body and your energy body. And you can let out your open mouth if you want, let a little sound, inhaling. One more. Releasing any tensions out through the pores of your skin, out into the universe as neutral chi. And bringing your attention deep inside your body, allowing your awareness to extend down through your legs, down through your feet, deep into Mother Earth, grounding yourself and connecting with all the life-giving energies of the earth. Drawing this earth chi up through your feet and your legs into your body, nourishing every cell and grounding and anchoring your energy body. And opening effortlessly the crown of your head, opening to the sky above you, opening beyond Earth's atmosphere into the vast starry darkness of infinite space. All the potential of the unseen energy of space, and connecting with this infinite potential, inviting it to journey with you through the cosmos, through Earth's atmosphere, in through the open crown of your head, infinite potential merging with the earth chi in you to make manifest your intention here in this body, in this life, in this time. Relaxing from inside out, merging with the ocean of energy in front of you. All forms of chi, visible and invisible, in front of you, into infinity. Back into your body, into your bones, into your blood. Relaxing from inside out, merging with the ocean of energy behind you. Beyond the walls, beyond the houses, beyond the trees, into infinity behind you. Back into your body, into your nervous system, relaxing from inside out, merging with the ocean of energy to the left of you, to the farthest horizon and beyond, into infinity to the left of you. Back into your body, into your organs, relaxing from inside out, merging with the ocean of energy to the right of you, into infinity to the right of you. Back into your body, into your dantian, between your navel and the small of your back, centered in your dantian, anchored in the earth, connected with the infinite ocean of energy in all directions. Centered in your dantian, and centered in your dantian. So for this practice, we'll continue with the sounds as before. At this time, we'll do each sound 3 times strongly, and then softly, and then silently. I'll also show you some of the hand movements to go along with the visualizations that I explained in the previous video. So make the sounds, whatever register works for you. If you want to do the visualizations and the hand movements, that's fine, it's totally up to you. Bringing your awareness back inside your body, slowly moving your hands to your chest, giving your heart a gentle massage, thanking your heart, your entire cardiovascular system, for the miracle of blood flowing throughout your body. So say the Shen sound 3 times strong, then 3 times soft, and 3 times silently. Letting the sound come from your physical heart. Shen, Shen, Shen. With the second sound, Xiang, a radiant light shining effortlessly from your heart as you transmute hatred and greed and codependency to right relationship and unconditional love. Xiang. Xiang. If you want, you can move your hands away from your heart and towards your heart like the light. Xiang. Xiang, Xiang, Xiang. Heart smiling, a gentle inner smile, smiling throughout your physical body and your energy body, connecting your heart with your entire being, and placing a gentle smile on your actual face with Xing. 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 Heart smiling, a gentle inner smile, smiling to your kidneys, moving your hands to your kidneys, giving your kidneys a gentle rub with the backs of your hands or the front, thanking your kidneys, your adrenal glands, your reproductive system, your hormonal system, your bones, your bone marrow, for making it possible for you to be here right now. So allowing the sharp sound as though you're about to step off a cliff, catching yourself before stepping over the cliff, come from deep within the kidneys themselves. With the U sound, transmuting the fear into appropriate caution, and alertness. A block of ice melting into water, free-flowing water through your kidneys. You can make the hands moving like free-flowing water through your kidneys with you. With yin, a gentle inner smile in your kidneys, in each kidney, smiling throughout your physical body and your energy body with yin. Kidneys smiling, gentle inner smiles to your digestive system, thanking your digestive system for digesting nourishment and life experiences. Allowing the gong sound to come from deep within your digestive system. Gong. With Fu, a beautiful golden spiral throughout your digestive system, from your mouth all the way down to your anus. And if you want, you can do a spiral movement with your hand. With Fu. Fu. Digestive system smiling, gentle inner smile, or many inner smiles throughout the rest of your physical body and energy body with Zong. And with this emotional transmutation of the digestive system, we transmuted worry to thoughtfulness. Gentle inner smile, Zong, throughout your being. Zong. 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 Zong, 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 zong. Digestive system, smiling to your liver, placing your hands on your liver, giving your liver a gentle massage, thanking your liver, your spleen, your immune system, and your lymphatic system for protecting you, taking care of you right now and 24/7. So allowing the t sound to come from deep within the physical liver itself. With the zhu sound, transmuting the anger to right action, and the tree of right action rising up through your torso, so you can make the movement of the tree rising up, the tree of right action through your torso. Zhu. Anchored in your dantian. Zhu. With Ling, a gentle inner smile radiating from the liver throughout your being. Ling, placing a smile on your face. Ling. Ling. Liver smiling, a gentle inner smile, smiling to your lungs, moving your hands to your lungs, giving your lungs a gentle massage, thanking your lungs and your entire respiratory system for the breath of life. You can do the first sound for the lungs, just as the word is, song, or you can do it as though you're sobbing, allowing it to come from deep within the lungs themselves. Song. 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 The second sound for the lungs is a hissing out and sucking back in. And as you suck back in, you generate saliva. And this saliva becomes the elixir of compassion, and you swallow it, allowing the compassion to permeate your entire body. So in this sound, we're transmuting excessive grief to compassion. And you can do the movement of the hissing out, your hands moving out, and then the sucking back in, the alchemical transmutation of the excessive grief to compassion. And the third sound for the lungs, song, gentle inner smile from the lungs, radiating effortlessly throughout your physical body and your energy body. And Master Ming Tonggu, who I learned these sounds from, says that literally song translates to releasing attachment or letting go of resisting impermanence, which I think is just so brilliant, that we can transmute ourselves from excessive grief to compassion for our condition of impermanence. So song. 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 Gentle inner smile from the lungs throughout your being. Song. Song, song, song. And continuing with the song sound, allowing naturally the inner smile and the compassion to radiate from yourself, just like the sun naturally radiates, radiating the inner smile and the compassion to your loved ones, and then from beyond your loved ones to the entire world with song. Song, 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 song. Feeling or imagining the world reflecting back the inner smile and echoing back the song, the compassion to you, your loved ones, and your community with song. Song, 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 song. Slowly moving your hands to your navel, palms centered on top of one another. Song, song. Anchoring the inner smile, anchoring the compassion, anchoring the energy, the chi of your practice in your dantian, in your center. Song, 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 song. We bow and give thanks for this practice and all practices and all wisdom traditions. We bow and give thanks to the teacher and healer inside ourselves. And I bow and give thanks to the teacher and healer in you. Howla, howla, howla.